Sarah typed one sentence into ChatGPT, got a full 7-day Tokyo itinerary back in 40 seconds. Here's what she wrote. Plan a 7-day trip to Tokyo for 2 people in October. We like food, walking, and weird local experiences. Mid-range budget, we're staying near Shinjuku. That's it. No research, no tabs, no spreadsheet. ChatGPT, which is free at chat.openai.com, came back with a day-by-day plan. Morning activities, lunch spots, neighborhoods to walk through, evening recommendations. Grouped by location so you're not zigzagging across the city like a lost tourist. The key is specificity. Vague gets vague. Plan a Tokyo trip gives you a postcard, but drop in your travel dates, your vibe, your budget, where you're sleeping, and the AI actually has something to work with. It's like giving directions to a really knowledgeable friend instead of just asking them to help. Once you get that first draft, don't stop there. Talk back to it. Type something like, we want one full slow day with no big sights. Just coffee shops, bookstores, and maybe a market. It'll regenerate that day. Or say, we're traveling with a 6-year-old and the whole thing reshapes around that. This back and forth is where AI travel planning gets genuinely useful, and if this is the kind of thing you want more of, Stack Future drops one of these every day. You can also ask it to build a packing list based on your itinerary, find restaurants near each stop, or flag which days might be exhausting so you can reorder them. It remembers the full context of your trip inside the same chat window. Okay, so think of it less like a search engine and more like a travel agent who never gets annoyed at your questions. The thing that actually matters here, you don't have to start from scratch anymore. Type what you want, be specific, and let the AI do the grunt work. Then shape it until it feels like yours. Tomorrow we're showing you the Claude prompt that takes a messy brain dump and turns it into a clean, professional message worth sticking around for. If this saved you some planning stress, hit the like button. It genuinely helps more people find this stuff.